Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to create an account on Microsoft Teams. I wonder why you want to create an account on Microsoft Teams. It is because you just have joined a company in which it is required to create an account so that teams could communicate with each other. Or maybe you want to grow your business, you have hired some employees and you are creating a team, so you just want to get a Microsoft team so you could continue working on that, or maybe there's any other reason for you to use Microsoft Teams. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could create your account on it. Also, I will try to leave written instruction in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed Microsoft Teams from Google Play Store or App Store, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. After installation, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, it will greet you to your Microsoft Teams. After that, you have to enter your email address or your phone number. You can add any one of these options to create your account on it. Once you add on it, what you have to do is you have to click on this purple icon which is sign in, and then it will proceed you to the next step. Now it is asking that if you want to go with your own email address or you want to go with your organization email address. If you go on with your email address of organization, then you will get a part of their team. Otherwise, if you are on your own, then you have to select the first option and it will take your email address and will create your account on it. So just simply select any one of these options. After that, you have to click on next option. It will verify your account and then you have to click on next. And there what you have to do is first you have to select the country in which you live, and after that you have to add your date of birth. After that, click on next. Now it has sent a verification code to your email address. You have to go to your email, check that code, and then you have to copy and paste that code here so you could proceed it. After that, you just have to click on next to verify that you are a human, not a robot. So just simply fill a captcha and then click on this blue option which is submit, and it will get submitted. And here you can see the verification has been completed and it has created your account on it. So you just have to keep clicking on these options until you get to the home page of your account. So here you can see that it is showing some of the information. You just have to go with it and your account has been created successfully. So now you can use it with your team, you can use it with organization, you can use it to communicate with other organization, or whatever you wanted to do with that app. Now you can do it because you have created your account on it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create an account on Microsoft Teams. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.